How are you? I hope you're having an amazing day. I just had some Honey Nut Cheerios for breakfast. They're actually like right there. Now I'm gonna have one of these French swirl vanilla things. These are so good. They have like filling in the middle and they are just, yes ma'am. I mentioned in yesterday's vlog I am graduating in December, and some of you are probably like, how is that even possible? Doesn't school end in like May or something? And yeah, sometime in May I think. But I'm graduating early. I start September 12th and I end like December 21st, I think, somewhere around there. So I go to school for like 3 months and then I graduate. And I didn't ask my academic advisor. She's the person that like makes all the classes and makes sure you have all your requirements to graduate. She just like called me and was like, "Hey, you can graduate early because you have like everything basically. You just need a few more credits and then you're good." So yeah, I didn't ask her, which is like super awesome, and it just like blew me away because I wasn't expecting her to like say that, like me graduate early. But yeah, it's super crazy. I'll be 17 when I'm graduating, so I don't know, this is all like so crazy to me and it does not feel real. Oh man, it is coming. It's going to be bad. I'm getting wet. I know, but the wind is blowing and it's pushing the rain. Oh my god. Hey guys, good morning. How are you? I hope you're having an amazing day. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope you're starting off your week with good vibes, happiness, and everything like that. I just woke up and it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Do not just sit around and mope about, all the negative things and all the bad things. I know it's easy to get caught up in those things, but it doesn't do you any good. So just get up and do things. You need to outweigh the positive over the negative. You can do it. Don't sit around and mope about the negative and bad things going on. It doesn't do anything. And yesterday for me was 9/11. 2,996 people went into work not knowing the tragic events that were going to happen. Don't forget to say your I love yous. Don't take people for granted. You don't know when things like that are going to happen, and it's so sad, and we all will never forget what happened. I just realized in that clip my lazy eye was super bad, so I'm sorry if that's distracting. It gets bad sometimes, I don't know, but yeah, it's like when my eye, they're not in the same place. It's doing it right now, so I'm sorry if that's distracting or weird. I can't help it. It's just something I have to deal with, and yeah, it doesn't bother me. Okay guys, the next few clips you're gonna see is there's a bird stuck in my brother's room. Now he has like an air conditioning, and the air conditioner is small and his window is big, so he puts like cardboard things on the side, and the bird must have like pushed through the cardboard or something. We're not even sure how it got in because he got home from work and just saw it there, and the bird was just on his bed just staring at him. So yeah, that's the next few clips, and I didn't show it, but we opened the window and took out the air conditioner, so the bird went through the window. We didn't capture it in the box, and the bird's fine. Nothing happened. I just want to say that. So yeah, the bird is fine. But that was super weird. And the bird pooped everywhere, like all over his bed, and we had to like clean everything off, get rid of his comforter and the sheets and stuff because it was gross.
Oh my god. He's trying to get out.
I know. You're never gonna catch it. Oh! Don't get close to me!
He is paid off. If you stop moving around, I could open the window for him.
Stop backing up, man!
He's like gonna get stuck.
He's probably gonna die. Amanda, that is cheating.
You didn't say how.
Amanda, that is definitely cheating.
You didn't say how I had to get up.
You just...
You tried to do that. That was Ashley, I feel very judged.
Nobody's judging you.
Except everyone that sees this video.
They don't care.
I'm leaving. Ashley.
Hey, Amanda.
I'm just sitting here like a blob and singing.
Where are you?
Are you taking another video, Ashley?
What are we riding?
An alligator.
This vlog was all over the place. There's clips from different days, but I hope you guys don't mind because I'm probably going to be doing that a lot now since the school and stuff. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye.